Hey guys, welcome to episode 5 of Heart Talk. So, before I say anything else, I just want to say this one thing. Just do it. Alright, I'm not endorsing Nike products here. I'm just asking you to do it. To do that thing you are afraid of doing. To take that risk. To grab that opportunity. I mean, what is stopping you? Most of the times, we are afraid of doing certain things because we think of what other people might think of us. Okay, that was a really long sentence, but I think you get it. We are afraid of being judged, getting judged, and I understand that because I am this person who is super insecure. And whatever I do, each and every step, I feel I'm being judged. I'm afraid the people might judge me, or I'm always thinking about what others might think of me, and I always feel that I owe an explanation. And because of that, I stop myself from doing certain things. It's sad, but it's true. You all must have heard that saying, learn how to say no. That's right. That's absolutely right. Learn how to say no. Things that make you feel uncomfortable or things you feel, like are not right. Just don't do it. But at the same time, when you are saying no to something, you are also saying yes to something. For example, if you're saying no to something that is hurting you, it means that you are saying yes to yourself, your mental health. It is okay to say yes if something scares you for no reason at all. I mean, you are not worth it. Why are we so scared of making mistakes? I mean, most of the times, we do not say yes to certain things, we do not take certain risks, we do not take that opportunity, grab that opportunity, thinking that we might make a mistake. So what? You learn from each and every mistake. I'm 20 years old and I have made like a bazillion mistakes. Small little mistakes, but then I learned a lot. And I know how it feels to be super anxious and worried thinking about hitting the rock bottom. Oh my god, I did this. I wish I would not have done that. I made a mistake. Now what should I do? I have hit the rock bottom. You know what? Even after every sunset, the sun rises the next day. And you will rise too. As I said before, you learn from your mistakes. You know what's scarier than making a mistake or regretting certain things? The fact that the question of what if I would have taken that opportunity, what would have happened if I did that thing? What would have happened if I took that risk? What would have happened if I'd have said yes to that opportunity? That what if question will bother you for the rest of your life maybe. Most of the mistakes I make is because I said yes, not because I said no. And I don't consider them as mistakes. I mean, I feel that they are the best part of my life because I did it. I have no regrets, zero regrets. I'm glad I did it. I got a result. I got to learn something, good or bad. And I'm just done with it. Now I know that, alright, I did it. It did not turn out that well. So be it. It's okay. I do not have the regret that why didn't I do it? And I'm happy. So if you were looking for a sign, then I think this is a sign. Do that thing. Do that thing that scares you right now. Do that thing you are confused about. It's okay to be confused. It's okay to make mistakes. It's absolutely okay to hit the rock bottom. And it's okay if people judge you. Because कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना. It's your life. You decide what you do. Learn how to say no, but at the same time, learn how to say yes, at least for once. I promise you'll feel good. You will. Yeah, this was a very short podcast. Not exactly a podcast, but a heart talk. If you like this video, please make sure that you hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell notification so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. I'll be coming up with new podcasts every Sunday. So until next time, bye.